Hi everyone, today I'm really excited to share a recipe that I'm going to be doing for the first time, and it's called a cream cheese mango black currant Danish pastry. I have a very good friend who works in a restaurant, and he said to me, Lynn, you can do this, give it a try. So I am going to be doing this today, and if I can do it, you can do it too. So come right along with me into the kitchen, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly please do so. Like and share my video, and also leave me a very nice comment. So in a clean dish, I add 8 ounces of cream cheese, quarter cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to beat this mixture until it is nice and smooth. I did add some lemon essence for that tangy taste, and give it a good whip. So now I have a nice creamy textured cream cheese, and I'm going to set this aside. So over a lightly floured surface, I'll roll the dough out. I had this dough in the refrigerator and I removed it 2 hours before use. Now it's time for rolling. So I roll the dough out for about 11 inches in length and 9 inches in width. And you can roll your dough smaller or bigger. It all depends on the size that you want to make. So you just want to cut the ends, making sure that the dough looks nice and presentable. And then we're going to now start to cut the corners of the pastry. Guys, this is my first time, let me just remind you. So when you're doing this, you can use your initiative, just follow the pattern. I'm going to show you at the end what really happened. So from that, you can use your own judgment. All right. So to the sides, you want to make sure you have the same even slits on both sides, making sure that you do not cut too much in, because this can really cause a mishap. And this is exactly what happened to me. So in the middle, I'm adding the cream cheese filling. I did make my own mango and black currant filling here, where I stewed them with some granulated sugar, because these fruits are frozen fruits, guys. So fold the ends in together like this, and then you want to overlap each one from both sides, just like this, pressing the ends in, and you continue until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, you're going to just fold them in, press them in tightly, and just tuck it in under, and place them into either a grease pan or a non-stick pan. I also have some egg wash that I'm going to baste the pastry dough with. And once this is done, I'm going to place it into the oven to bake until it is golden brown. Now this is where the mishap comes in. I did cut the slits in too far, so they tend to seep from the top, not really the top, but mostly from the sides, and that's all right. We just need to know that, well, these things reminds us that next time we can do better. So leave me a comment, let me know how you think I did on my first try in making these Danish pastries. And here they are. Once it's cool, I cut them up and just drizzle some icing glaze right over the top. Here you have it, guys. Enjoy. Don't you forget to leave me a comment. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video.